Hi, it's Charlie again. Sorry it's been so long since I did this last. How long has it really been? Like what? 2 weeks? 3? I moved back to college. Moved into my apartment with my 3 very good friends. Alex and video time with Alex. He just popped in to say hi. Said hello. Yeah. Not much has been going on really. I went, classes are starting. Oh yeah, this is my wall of Epic. Those are all Harry Potter pictures and quotes. And facts. So many facts. So many facts. He just stares at me. I swear to God. I'm in the process of writing a couple new songs. Come over here. So to entertain you for this evening, I'm deciding to... Oh, can you guys hear that back noise? That's a train. It's a train that goes to the town every night. Every freaking night. I decided to do a puppet show for you guys. So this is Marley. And this is Tom. Marley and Tom. Let's start the... I wonder where my friends Marley and Tom are. Hello, hello. How are you? I'm good. How are you? Marley. Yes. Tom. Yeah. Tom, are you okay? Yeah. I'm fine. So how you guys been? We've been good. So Tom. Yeah? Have you acknowledged your feelings for Marley yet? You have feelings for me? No, I hadn't yet. Ooh. Well, Tom, very sorry about that. I think I just spilled the beans. I'll kill you. Tom, don't! Oh, Tom, don't! I'll kill you! Tom, it's not worth it! Tom, what have you become? A murderer. I'm so stupid. And that was my show. I don't know. Comment, like, or dislike. That deserves a dislike. Alright, bye.